Children, let us take the passing package question paper, third. Now you take the first question. If an equals a10 minus 5, then sixth term of an AP is an equals a10 minus 5. So here you take what is given, an equals a10 minus 5. Then we have to find the sixth term, so it is a6. a6 equals 8 into, in the place of n you write 6. 8 into 6 minus 5, 8 6 are 48 minus 5, that is equals to how much? 43. So what is the answer here? Answer is option B, 43. So write the answer. Option B is 43. Next you take the second question. If tan equals 12 by 13, then the value of cot is. You know that tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. Reciprocal of tan is cot, reciprocal of cot is tan. So what is the reciprocal of 12 by 13? Reciprocal of 12 by 13 is 13 by 12. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. You write answer C, option C, that is 13 by 12. Then you take the third question. What is the third question? Median of 81, 95, 106, 38, 95, 104 and 28. To find the median, the scores must be arranged in the ascending order or descending order. Then let us find the middle one, which becomes the median. So here, which is the least one? 28. You write 28. Next one is 38. Then you take 81. Then 95, 95, 95, 95. Then you take 104, 104, 106. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Odd number of scores are there. Odd number of scores are there means the middle one becomes the median. So which comes in the middle here? This one. Here 3, here 3. So this is the median. And also there is a formula. N plus 1 by tooth score. That is n is 7. 7 plus 1 by tooth score. That is 8 by tooth score. That equals fourth score. That also you can find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth score is 95. Otherwise, here if there are odd number of scores, you can find the middle one easily. So here 7 scores are there. Here 3. Here 3. So which comes in the middle? 95. So which is the median? That is median. To find the median, scores must be arranged in the ascending or descending order. Normally we are arranging in the ascending order, and the score which comes in the middle becomes the median. If there are even number of scores, you will get 2 middle scores. There are 2 scores in the middle, then you have to take the average of the 2 scores. Average of the 2 scores, that is n by 2 scores, n by 2 plus 1 score whole divided by 2. That becomes the score which is the median. Then you take, here you write the answer. Answer option D, 95. Next you take total area of the hemisphere. That is total surface area of the hemisphere. You know that TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, as it is having circular base and curved surface. And you know that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which becomes 3 pi r square. So which is the answer here? Answer is option D, 3 pi r square. That is the total surface area of the hemisphere. Next, state Phytagoras theorem. You know the statement of the Phytagoras theorem. What is that statement? In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So you can write in a right angled triangle, square of the hypotenuse or square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is the statement of the Phytagoras theorem. Next, let us take sixth question. Evaluate sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree minus tan square 45 degree. So you note down here, take down sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree minus tan square 45 degree. You must know the values of the sine 30 degree, cos 60 degree and tan 45 degree. Then what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Here sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree is also 1 by 2 minus tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is 1 square. Then half into half is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 minus 1, that you will get the LCM is 4. And the numerator becomes 1 1s are minus. Here if you take this is 1 means 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4 you take. That becomes 4. Then 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. So sine 30 cos 60 minus tan 45 is equals to what? Minus 3 by 4. Now you take the seventh question. Write the formula to find curved surface area of the hemisphere. You know that curved surface area of the hemisphere is half of the curved surface area of the sphere, that is half of 4 pi r square. Half of 4 pi r square is 2 pi r square. So write CSA means curved surface area of hemisphere. Hemisphere equals, what is that? 2 pi r square. Total surface area becomes 3 pi r square and curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Then you take the next question, question number 8. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. You know the method of constructing the pair of tangents when the angle of inclination is given. So what is the first step here? Here you must draw the circle of radius 6 cm. But here the angle between the tangent is given. So after drawing one radius, you must construct 180 minus the 60 degree. That is 120 degree at the center. After constructing 120 degree angle at the center, then you must draw the tangents at the ends of the radii, and that two tangents will be inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So here in the first step, measure 6 cm radius, take the compass and measure 6 cm. This is the rough sketch, and draw one radii. Radii will be of 6 cm. And here you must construct 60 degree, means here you must construct 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equals to 120 degree angle at the center, and you know the method of constructing the angle. At a point O, construct 120 degree angle. So how will you construct? You know the method here. This one you will get 60 degree. Again this is 120 degree. In this way you will get 120 degree angle at the center. You know the method of construction, that is 120 degree. And next here consider this is A and this is B, and again you draw a curve of this one and take this point without changing the measurement. Cut this curve and take up to here. With this as a center, cut the previous curve with the same measurement. Then you will get a perpendicular to the radius, which is tangent. Similarly, here that point must be here you will get. Next again also you draw the curve again without changing. With this as a center, draw the curve here to cut this point. Again here this point, use this point, cut this curve with the same radii. Again here you will get a tangent, and this both the tangent will incline at an angle of, if you extend the tangent, both will be inclined at an angle of how much? 60 degree. If you measure the angle, you will get that is 60 degree. So here consider this is a point P. In this way, follow the steps by using the video lessons of the construction. Same type of constructions are done in that video. Link will be given in the description box, but the radius and angle may be changed here, but the method is same here. Here, when the angle between the tangent is given at the center, you must take 180 minus that angle. Next, let us take question number 9. 3x plus y equals 15, 2x plus y equals 5. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So here take this equation 3x plus y equals 15, and second equation is 2x minus y equals 5. And here you observe you must eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate any one of the variable, see the coefficient. See the coefficient. Here y and y are having plus 1 and minus 1, which can be eliminated easily, but here these two are having different coefficients. You can't eliminate them directly. If you want to eliminate the x, means you must multiply the first and second equation. So here, but if you want to eliminate this y, you can do the addition easily. So you consider this is the first, this is the second. So you take first plus second by first plus second. So first one is 3x plus y plus 2x minus y, LHS plus LHS, this plus this equals this plus this, 15 plus 5. So it becomes 15 plus 5. Then this y and minus y becomes cancelled. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x equals 15 plus 5 equals 20. Then x equals 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Then by substituting x equals 4 in equation first or second, you can take. Here let us take first one. So what is that first equation? 3x plus y equals 15. You can do below this also. Then 3 into, what is the value of x? Value of x is 4. You write 4 plus y equals 15. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 plus y equals 15. Then y equals, you transfer this 12 to the RHS, that becomes, write 15 and transfer this 12, that becomes minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So you got y equals 3. Therefore, x equals 4 and y equals 3. X equals 4 and y equals 3. Then next, let us take the question number 10. X square plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Here you note down the given quadratic equation. What is that? X square plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. X square plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Now, here write the values of a, b and c. A equals, that is the coefficient of x square is 1. B is the coefficient of x, that is 7. C is the constant here, right? C is 12. This is C, this is B, this is the coefficient of x square is 1. Now you write the formula. What is that formula? X equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Then you write x equals minus b means minus 7 plus or minus whole root b square is 7 square minus 4 into 1 into 12, 2 into a, 2 into a is 1. Then x equals minus 7 plus or minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 12s are 12 4s are 48 by 2. Then x equals minus 7 plus or minus 49 minus 48, that is square root of 1 by 2, that equals, you can write equals minus 7, you write minus 7 only, plus or minus square root of 1 is 1 by 2. So you can write x equals minus 7 plus 1 by 2 or x equals minus 7 minus 1 by 2. Here plus or minus 1 is there. So you take plus 1 time and again you take, next you take minus. Therefore you write x equals minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6 by 2 and here you take x equals minus 8 by 2. So you will get x equals 2 1s are 2 minus 3s are minus 3 and x equals 2 1s are 2 minus 4s are, that is minus 4. You got the values of x, minus 3 and minus 4. Then next let us take the next question, 11th question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A minus 1 7 and B 4 minus 3 into the ratio 2:3 internally. Now let us take the 2 points A minus 1 7, B 4 minus 3. So let us consider these are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the ratio, naturally we are considering this as m1 is to m2. So it is 2 is to 3. Then what you have to find out? You have to find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment in the ratio 2 is to 3. So let us consider that point is P of xy. We have to find out the point P of xy. And here we have to find this P of x by using the section formula. A and B are the 2 points with the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, that is divided by the point P of xy in the ratio 2 is to 3. Then if you take the section formula, that you can write P of xy equals, what is that? Section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is for x, and for y it is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then you write m1 x2. m1 is 2, right? 2 into x2. What is x2? x2 is 4. 2 into 4 plus m2. m2 is 3. 3 into x1 is minus 1. Minus 1. That divided by m1 plus 2. m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3. m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 3. Then m1 into y2. m1 is 2. y2 is minus 3. Plus m2. m2 is 3. y1 is 7. That divided by m1 plus m2 is nothing but 2 plus 3. So you take P of xy equals 2 fours are 2 fours are, right? 2 fours are 8, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So you got 8 minus 3 here. 2 fours are 8, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, and 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21. That divided by 5. Then P of xy. P of xy is 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 5. And 21 minus 6. 21 minus 6 is 15. 15 by 5. So you got 5 by 5 is 1. And 5 ones are 5 threes are. So you got 1 3. So you got P of xy equals 1 3, means x equals 1, y equals 3. That is the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points a minus 1 7, b 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3.